When was the last time you had your chimney swept? If it's been a while, it may be time for a Level 2 chimney inspection. But what exactly is a Level 2 chimney inspection? In this video, we will be discussing the importance of a Level 2 chimney inspection and tell what elements are included in the process. But before we talk about your chimney, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. The Level 2 chimney inspection is required if you make any changes to the way that you use your chimney. This can include converting from a wood-burning fireplace to gas, or vice versa, relining your chimney's flue, or any accidents that may have caused internal or external damage to your chimney. Also, if you're selling your home, it is required that you have a Level 2 inspection. But what exactly does a Level 2 chimney inspection consist of? The difference between a Level 1 and Level 2 inspection is the level of detail. The scope of a Level 2 chimney inspection includes all the visual inspection elements included in a Level 1 chimney inspection, plus an examination of your home's attic or crawl space when they are accessible. The Level 2 chimney inspection includes sweeping out the firebox, smoke chamber, venting system, and cleaning off the chimney cap. Lastly, a camera scope is used to examine the venting system to check for cracks or gaps that may cause future buildup and prevent your unit from operating correctly. Now that you know the details of a Level 2 chimney inspection, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your Level 2 inspection today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more content from Alpha and Omega. Thanks for watching.